Uselu Road. Uselu Road. At when you are going to Wasota Junction to close to uselu. Look at the road. We are celebrating 60 years in Nigeria. We are celebrating independence. Look at Federal Road. We are talking about Federal Road here. We are talking about Federal Road here. Look at the road. 60 years and we are celebrating independence. What do you mean? Today is 5th. Look at inside the car. Look at inside the car. Look at inside the car. I am now. Look at everywhere. Look at everywhere. Look at water inside the car. Inside the car where I am now. Look at water. This Federal Road. When you are going to uselu. Look at water entering people's house, and we just celebrate independence. We celebrated 60 years in hardship. Look at this is Edo State. We are talking about Edo State now. At uselu, close to Egwayoba. Look at. I'm sorry.